Shopify versus PrestaShop, two e-commerce giants, but only one truly fits your store vision, so which one really delivers? On the left, Shopify, launch and scale with ease. On the right, PrestaShop, ultimate flexibility and control for your online business. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Before we get deep, here's our mind map. These are the main things we're comparing. Ease of use, features and customization, international and multi-store, security and hosting, cost and pricing model, SEO and marketing, support and scalability. Yep, we're covering the stuff that actually matters if you're starting a store in 2025. Let's kick off with ease of use. Okay, Shopify, it's honestly wild how beginner-friendly this is. No coding whatsoever, and that drag-and-drop builder, super intuitive. Most folks can get their store launched like in literal minutes. The flip side, if you're super technical, you might find some parts locked behind apps and you might wish you could poke around the backend more. Now, PrestaShop, this one is all about hands-on control. You get the keys to everything, and yeah, if you love full access, it's brilliant. But prepare yourself, there's a definite learning curve. Technical setup, hosting, modules, it's not plug and play. At the end of the day, Shopify definitely wins this round for simplicity. Up next, features and customization. Shopify brings a ton of features to the table. There's a ridiculously huge app store, tons of built-in e-commerce goodies, and you can give your site a nice custom look. But small catch. If you want to really get deep with custom stuff or backend magic, you're gonna be installing extra apps. In contrast, PrestaShop, oh man, this is a developer's dream. The features don't just cover the basics. You can literally change anything, even backend logic. It is complex though, sometimes modules have upfront costs and you've got a bit more maintenance. Still, for pure customization, PrestaShop walks away with this win. Talking about international and multi-store power, Shopify makes international selling smooth. Shopify Markets lets you sell pretty much anywhere and you can go multilingual with apps. Plus, you barely have to think about scaling infrastructure. Annoying thing, true multi-store is locked behind Shopify Plus and some features need extra app subscriptions. PrestaShop, on the other hand, is kinda legendary here. Native multi-language, true multi-store, like right in the core experience. Multi-currency is easy too, but okay, there's a bit of manual work setting up the infrastructure. Still, if global reach is your game, PrestaShop wins this one. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Shopify stores outnumber PrestaShop by 5 times globally? But plot twist, PrestaShop still powers hundreds of thousands of shops in over 200 countries. It's kinda wild how both platforms have their own massive communities. Let's jump to security and hosting. Shopify is all about peace of mind. Fully hosted, automatic updates, default SSL, PCI compliance, the whole deal. You get uptime monitoring too, you basically never touch a server. Downside, you lose some direct control. Now PrestaShop lets you pick your own host, set up security as you wish, and fine-tune backups if you have those skills. Thing is, security, updates, and PCI compliance all become your job. So for hands-off, reliable security, Shopify takes the win. On to cost and pricing model. Shopify is pretty transparent. Monthly plans starting around $39 includes hosting and some free themes. Easy, right? But beware those transaction fees if you don't use Shopify payments, and lots of advanced features need paid apps. PrestaShop, surprisingly, it's open source, free to grab and install. Add-ons are usually one-time purchases and everything's pretty transparent there. However, you gotta factor in developer costs and hosting fees. If you're good with setting things up yourself, PrestaShop gives you more control over costs, so I gotta give it the win. Let's talk SEO and marketing. Shopify makes it easy for beginners. There's built-in email, social, and a massive SEO app selection. Marketing, super straightforward. That said, URL structure is locked and advanced technical SEO tricks are kinda limited. PrestaShop flips that on its head. You get way more freedom, custom URLs, metadata, robots, TXT, and killer options for international SEO. You will need to know what you're doing though. Also, no built-in email marketing out of the box, but you can add it. For hardcore SEO power, PrestaShop is the winner. Okay, support. Shopify brings on the 24/7 hustle, live chat, phone, email, huge help center, all of it. Even the community is active. Some better support is locked to paid plans, but for most folks, there's always someone there. Compare that to PrestaShop, where you're leaning on forums and maybe some paid experts. No official 24/7 support, and forum answers can be hit or miss. Shopify lands an easy win for support here. Finally, scalability. Shopify honestly makes this super easy. The infrastructure just scales in the background with basically zero effort from your side. If you go totally massive, you'll need Shopify Plus, and yeah, that's expensive, but most businesses won't hit that. PrestaShop, you can scale as big as you want. There aren't any license limits, but you do have to handle hosting, optimization, and the technical stuff yourself. If you want to grow without worrying about servers, Shopify totally wins. So if we plot both on a radar chart, you'll notice Shopify absolutely shines in ease of use, security, support, and scalability. Just super smooth for most folks. PrestaShop flexes hard on features, international cost, and SEO. It's more work, but you get more control. It kinda comes down to vibe, right? Shopify is perfect if you want fast launches, easy scaling, and you never want to sweat the technical stuff. If you're a tinkerer, developer, or someone who wants every bit of control, PrestaShop is the way. You'll get more advanced features, deeper customization, and international power. Just be ready for extra setup and a steeper learning curve. So what's more important to you, simplicity or full control? Seriously, check out both. Dive into a demo or maybe read up a bit more with expert guides. Try before you commit, you'll know which fits your style.